Changing rooms with underfloor heating. There's a fitness studio with gym equipment, 20-meter leisure pool, indoor vitality pool, a thermal heat experience, and a juice bar.
Here we go. We have liftoff.
Boom! Ah!
Gone.